My name is Vitale My son Oscar Ferranti suffered a stroke on the 1st of March 2022. Oscar's been doing a lot of therapy back in Melbourne, conventional therapy, before we came here for the first 4-day block with Ken, which was last week. The breakthroughs were incredible. Why I believe that they were so successful and so profound is Ken tapped into Oscar understanding. That was the main thing, and that knowledge of that it's from the brain and the messages from the brain to the body rather than from the body to the brain. I think they were very, very important messages that Oscar tapped into. So then once he started, realising that he could sort of just relax and let the brain do its work, and then we started to see the smoothness of some of his movements, like we're talking about within the first day, from being reactive and all over the place and jittery, he became a lot more relaxed and a lot of tension was released, and therefore everything was a lot smoother. Oscar came in depending on crutches for his mobility, and he's walking out of here without crutches, and those crutches were put in the boot of the car after day 1. In the second week, you worked with Tom, and what Tom was able to do, Tom worked a lot on that releasing of tension, unlocking and deactivating things for Oscar that were switched on. So Oscar's confidence now in being able to walk, he's been able to go to the beach in the afternoons. He was on a wobble board without having to use his hands for balance. He couldn't do that before his stroke, let alone now, after the stroke. And that's been really, we saw a lot of that in the second week with Tom. Well, we're looking forward to continuing the program at home. What work Oscar's done in the first 2 weeks here at Neurophysics Clinic, we're going to continue that at home with the program, the specified program that they're going to give for Oscar to continue. Oscar's looking forward to doing that on a daily basis. The equipment that the guys here work with, it's all conventional equipment. There's nothing, tailor-made or specific. It's universal, and that's what again has been fantastic in being able to see certain exercises done in conventional equipment and the results of it. So we're going to be able to look forward to continuing that in Melbourne, and looking forward to the follow-ups that Ken, Nikki and Tom are going to continue to do with Oscar over the course of his journey moving forward. It's just about continuing the work, continuing to reiterate the things that they've been working on, and the improvement will come because we've seen it so quickly in the time that's here. So we're looking forward to what comes next. Coming here was completely new to us, and something we didn't know what to prepare for. How we've been made to feel by Ken, Nikki and Tom, right, as a family. Oscar's only 16 years old. We felt comfortable. He made Oscar feel comfortable, and so did the team. So it made the rehab just natural. It's something that the patient has to let go, because as I said, it's a lot of work with the brain and releasing and turning off and meditating at times through the process. So to be able to do that, you've got to be in a comfortable environment, I believe. And so Ken, Nikki and Tom made him very, very comfortable and made us comfortable. We looked forward to coming every day, so did he. You don't want to leave. That's how well you're treated and how powerful the work that they're doing is. So our experience has exceeded our expectations. Not of course the results, but also the entire experience. I'd stay here another 2 weeks if we could and the program allowed it, because it's just so powerful.